construct geometric figures, angles. Let us understand how to draw an angle of a particular size. We shall use a protractor to draw angle LMN equals 60 degrees. Using a ruler, we draw a straight line. This line MN forms one arm of our angle. The vertex of the angle is labeled as M, as it is the middle letter of the angle. We locate the center mark in the middle of the straight edge of the protractor. We place the protractor in such a way that the center mark of the protractor lies at the vertex M. Now we line up the zero on the straight edge of the protractor with line MN. Since 60 degrees is less than 90 degrees, it is an acute angle. Hence, we will use the inner scale of the protractor. We start at 0 degrees and count around the curved edge of the protractor in the anti-clockwise direction. We count the tens on the inner scale from 0 degrees and stop at 60 degrees and mark the point. We can now remove the protractor and draw a line connecting this point to point M, which is the vertex of the angle using a ruler. To verify whether we have drawn the angle correctly, we use a protractor to measure the angle. Angle LMN measures 60 degrees.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Maskly to help you and let the math finally start mathing.